Hey everyone, it's Carrie. So I'm officially back. I know you guys are like, you've heard this before. No, but seriously, I really am back this time. I wasn't sure what video I was gonna do as like my little comeback video. I was thinking about doing like a hairstyle video, but I decided to do this one instead because I think it's important for you guys to know. So I will be rebranding my channel, and basically what I mean by that is I'm gonna be not really changing but expanding my channel to include more topics. So I'm not just gonna be focused on natural hair. And I know some of you guys will probably be sad about that, but it's nothing to be sad about. I've gotten older, I have more interests, and it just basically means that you're gonna get more content from me. So that's a plus. So yes, I will still be doing natural hair videos, but along with that, I'm gonna be doing fashion, makeup, cooking, just everything, vlogging. Just I want it to be a more well-rounded channel. You'll get to know me a little bit better, which is a good thing because I feel like I've been on YouTube for so long, but you guys don't really know me. Also this weekend, y'all, I'm gonna be launching my website. Y'all, I'm so excited because, like, you know how long I've been wanting to start my own business, and it's gonna be something small, and hopefully in time things will grow and I'll be able to do more things. But you guys know how long I've been wanting to be my own boss, have my own business. Man, but I've been living in fear. I've been scared of just failure, which is never a good way to live your life because it stops you from doing so many things. But yeah, this weekend I'm gonna be launching my website, so stay tuned for that. Keep a lookout. Definitely follow me on Instagram so you can stay up to date with me. So my website is gonna have apparel. Like I said, I'm starting off small, so it's just gonna be basically hoodies, leggings, tank tops, t-shirts, tote bags, you know, things like that. I'll definitely let you know when it officially launches so that you guys can go check it out and support your girl. And what else did I want to talk about? Okay, so, oh my gosh, my hair, guys. So as you can see, it's back to black. I've been doing so much to my hair, and if you guys are watching this and you're interested in getting you know, coloring your hair, I think it's great. Definitely experiment with your hair. I loved my colored hair, and unfortunately I had to go back to black because of my silliness. Let me tell you what I did. Colored my hair, right? And it was a pretty like golden blonde, gingerish color. It was beautiful, right? I loved it. Then my roots were growing out and I'm like, you know what, I want to go lighter. So I decided to go bleach my hair, and then I got a box dye, and it was like Revlon dark ash color. So I got the box dye, put it on my head, and I hated the way it turned out. It was not cute on me at all. So then I decided the next day, are y'all listening to me? The next day, I went and bleached my hair again. What? Yo, when I say that was the stupidest thing I could have ever done, like I literally, girl, yo, my hair said, what are you trying to do? My hair did not like that at all. So then I went and got a box color. It was Strawberry Jam by Garnier, and it was this nice like reddish pinkish color when it got on my hair, and so I liked it, but then I got tired of it. It was like fading. So I went to Google and I typed in healthy way of stripping away red from your hair, and they told me about vitamin C, the little vitamin C packets, and shampoo, clarifying shampoo. So that's what I did. I got a clarifying shampoo. I got the vitamin C packets, you know, the little packet emergency or whatever. I got that. My hair was not about it. It did not react very well to the vitamin C and shampoo washes that I did. It basically started breaking. And so I want to save the hair on my head. And so again, I went to Google and I'm like, how do I stop the breakage? Like, how do I repair all this damage that I've done to my hair? And I've watched videos, and so many people have spoken about Aphogee. So I got the 2-step protein treatment and also the balancing moisturizing product. if you guys have tried those products and it works on your hair, it did well, it helped you to, it stopped the breakage, let me know. So that's my game plan, to repair my hair and just give it a break, because I've been doing way too much with it. Color is addicting. Color is addicting. All right, so thank you guys so much for watching. I hope I wasn't like just rambling too much, but I had a lot to say. Those of you who've been rocking with me and supporting me till now, I appreciate you. I appreciate you guys so much. I love you, and I wish you can see my heart and know how much I love and appreciate you. But thank you again for just being on this journey with me. A lot more new things to come, new journeys. Y'all are gonna get to see a lot more of me, more raw and uncut. You're gonna get to see my personality a little bit more. You're gonna see all my flaws. You're gonna see my rolls, my cellulites while I'm on this weight loss journey, because, you know, it is what it is. Life's a journey, and some people are better at it than others, and you just got to deal with it and keep pushing forward. So that's what I'm gonna do. I love you, and I'll see you in the next video. Mwah!